to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. My voice does not normally sound like this, I promise. I am back bringing you guys another cleaning video. This one is just going to be a general cleaning, huge motivation, literally cleaning our entire apartment because it's a hot mess and we avoided cleaning it all weekend long. You know what, it's life, it happens. But I hope you guys find this inspiring or a little bit motivating to go and clean yourself. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. I also have a ton of cleaning videos. I have an entire playlist full of them. I will have a link down below as well as have a card for it right here and at the end of the video. So make sure you guys go and check it out afterwards if you still need more motivation.
We never left the ground, but we need to take some weight off our shoulders. The fight isn't over. Can you let me be tonight? I will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark sometimes. Cause when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some weight off our shoulders, so this fight is over. Can you stay with me tonight? I don't wanna be alone, and I need you here if you want to. I know my spark's been left in the dark sometimes, but when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always?
Brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I also hope that you maybe got a little bit of motivation or a little bit of inspiration to go and clean your own spaces. I know that's literally what I have to do whenever I don't feel like cleaning. I just go and watch someone else clean a bunch because then I'm like, I really need to get my life together. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. You can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have an entire playlist full of cleaning videos. So if you guys want to watch more and you need a little more inspiration, I will have them linked down below for you guys, the entire playlist, as well as at the end of this video for you guys to go and check out. Without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.